The way you put something on the display of your robot is through the display block. This comes in a lot of different modes. The first one that it comes up with is the image mode, so you can select a lot of different images here from the pre-programmed ones that are already available. And you can go over here on the display part and drag this around if you want. You can also change the X and Y location via text. Just so you know, the lower left-hand corner of the display is 0 on X and 0 on Y. Then as we click and drag this around, you'll notice that Y goes up. And if we drag it horizontally, you'll notice that X goes up. So you can change that either via number or just by dragging it around. If you've selected the clear checkbox over here, then what that does is it starts out with a fresh screen. So it'll clear whatever's on the screen and put your new image there. If you don't have that checked, then as you start encountering more and more of these display blocks, it'll start adding them onto the display wherever they need to be. So that could be kind of handy. You can build up a composite image that way. One of the other things you can do is drawing. The language lets you do points, so you can have this point and move it around. You can do lines, so you can grab one of these lines, move it around. You can change its starting position and its ending position. And you can do circles. Drag that around. Maybe we'll change its radius or something. And you can build up quite a complicated image by using multiple display blocks and using all these different symbols that you can put on the display. You can also do text. So we can change this here to be my text. And as you expect, you can click and drag that around. So without knowing anything about data hubs, that's pretty much what you can do. That can still be pretty handy for debugging your robot. Someplace in your program you might put in different display blocks so that you can tell what's going on. If you know about data hubs, then you can click and drag that down. You can control all those different things via other parts of your program. If you don't know about data hubs and you want to start feeding numbers from your robot, for instance, onto the display, then you should watch the data hub tutorial in the advanced section of this tutorial.